Come get ready with me for a morning of beauty consults as I share some glowy good news for all our sensitive skin girlies who want brighter, smoother skin. Meet Hibiscus Daily Glow Exfoliating BHA Tonic, a radiance-boosting tonic that gently exfoliates and hydrates your skin while maintaining a healthy skin barrier. Apply a few drops to your fingertips and pat onto your face and neck. Follow with a serum. I'm using the Jojoba Ultimate Youth Potion. I love the glow it gives me. And a moisturiser. I'm using the Jojoba Gel Mask here. Perfect for quenching thirsty skin. Next, a quick blow dry. My skin is looking so glowy, radiant and clear. Wouldn't you agree? With 6% BHA, a much gentler alternative to other chemical exfoliants. Vitamin B3, this is gentle enough to use daily, even for the most sensitive of skins. She's soft, smooth and glowy. I'm just going to curl my lashes, slick on some mascara and lip gloss. My skin is smooth, radiant, and I'm keen to go meet today's personal beauty clients. Safe, sustainable, ethical, effective, Australian. Another cracking product from Jojoba. Read the caption below for all the details. I'm Amanda Ramsey, your over 40s makeup expert, and I'm loving my glowing skin.